The Muslims, they're fundamentalists, they're extremists. And we Muslims, we are becoming apologetic. No, I'm not a fundamentalist. No, I'm not an extremist. I say, I am an extremist. I'm extremely honest, I'm extremely just, I'm extremely kind, I'm extremely merciful, I'm extremely loving. Can anyone tell me why being extremely just, extremely honest, extremely loving, extremely merciful, extremely kind is bad? What's wrong in being an extremist? The Quran says you have to be extremely honest. You can't be partly honest when benefits you, you're honest. When doesn't benefit you, you're dishonest. The Quran says you have to be extremely honest, extremely just. So if you are a practicing Muslim, you have to be extremely kind, extremely honest, extremely just. We have to be extremists in the correct direction. We should not be extremists in the wrong direction. But a Muslim should be extremist in following the Quran. Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 208, Allah says, "Udkhulu fi silmi kaffa." Enter into Islam wholeheartedly. You can't say partly. So why are the Muslims becoming apologetic? The media is attacking Islam, and unfortunately, we Muslims, we have the best deen. But why are we afraid? Why are we apologetic? It's time that we turn the tables over.